Avancis designs and produces photovoltaic modules, thin film modules in CIS technology. Avancis has a long history in volume production of CIS modules. We're talking about the third generation of CIS technology at Avancis. The first one was built in Camarillo, California. The second one was built in our Fab 1 here in Torgau. And the third generation is now being built in Fab 2 and Fab 3 in Korea.
The new production plant of Avancis is unique in many aspects. It has been designed, built and approved by our own engineers. It's no turnkey fab. It's a fab specially dedicated for a unique product.
This plant has been built by our engineers and specialists in only 18 months. It covers all the experience developed in Fab 1 and in our development centers. We at Avancis work closely together with our suppliers. We start with conception of equipments and we bring the newest technologies into production. We have here been able to start a fully automated factory, and it covers our newest unique process steps developed only at Avancis.
This technology, this factory and this product bears the potential to make electricity at comparable cost to fossil fuel powered technology.
Quality is a critical differentiator for Avancis. We control the whole value chain, from the glass all the way to production to the final product. What we end up with is a product that's been controlled right from the inception to the end at a steady level.
The target markets for these modules are residential rooftop, so private investors, the commercial rooftop, so that would be investors investing on large buildings, as well as independent power providers who make large ground-mounted systems that are purely designed to generate PV power.
The new product is actually a consequence of some customer feedback. Some applications require a lighter frameless product. We have solved this request by reducing material thicknesses and removing the frame and replacing it by a back rail to allow for heavy snow load conditions of this product. CIS stands for copper indium diselenide. That's a novel semiconductor allowing to absorb the sunlight much more efficiently than classic silicon semiconductors. This leads to a reduced material consumption. We need only 1% of semiconductor material to absorb nearly all the sunlight necessary to convert it into electricity.
We've got various quality tests in line. We start essentially with measuring of layer thicknesses and the composition of our layers that we apply to the glass surface. This is followed by various thickness measures, all the way to performance measures using a flasher to ensure that the performance of the product is sufficient. Avancis is certified to various international norms. At once, it's the IEC international norm. Secondly, also to UL standards.
Advanced solar power, as we do it, it's all about energy yield, economics, but at the same time, good aesthetics. So the modules you get produce a lot of energy, look good, and are affordable.
The warranties that we can provide for that factory and that product here is exceptional. It's 10 years product warranty and 25 years reliability on the performance. So that brings us into a top player range within Europe, but also worldwide. Made in Germany means for us, we're working with highly skilled people, highly crafted machineries, and well-educated engineers in our environment. So for that reason, we believe that we can also provide an outstanding product.
Advanced solar power, in my view, stands for highest efficiency products to serve our customers' needs. Advanced solar power for a widespread use of PV electricity.
The people of Avancis are what makes up this company. They are involved in every step of design and manufacturing. Avancis, we design our own manufacturing process, we design our own product, we define the new fab, we design the fab architecture, and then we execute and run the factories. And this is all being done by people who are working at the forefront of technology. The future is bright. With this new product and this new technology, Avancis will be able to participate in the massive growth of the photovoltaic market of the future.